Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing well. Excited to show you a simple yet tasty recipe. So let's get started with today's special. Lahori Beef Karahi. Time to cook this delicious dish together. 3 tablespoons of oil. 2 medium onions sliced. 'Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. 1 kilogram beef, mixed pieces. Add in a pressure cooker. 2 tablespoons julienne cut ginger. 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. 'Cook for 10 minutes on medium to low flame. Cooking in a budget special Karahi masala. The Karahi masala video link is available in the description. 2 tablespoons of Karahi masala. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Peeled and chopped tomatoes, 1 kilogram. Cook on low flame. Cook for 15 minutes, or until the tomatoes release their water. Now cook on medium flame for 15 minutes. When water dries and oil separates, add 3 cups of water. Cover and cook on pressure for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, Alhamdulillah, our Lahori Beef Karahi is ready to serve. Try this at home and tell me how your family liked it. Support the channel by subscribing and sharing this recipe with others. Serve it hot and watch everyone fall in love with the taste. Good food made simple, that's what cooking in a budget is all about. See you soon with another delicious recipe.